all the updates on 37 Western Avenue. Let's go inside and check it out. So this is 37 and 37 and a half Western Avenue. It is a multifamily unit. Each unit has a 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit. And it does have a nice sized backyard. It has a concrete pad in the backyard. You can park back here, or you can park in the concrete pad in the front. And where that car is right there, that is also another concrete pad you can park at. Some of the updates that were made was all of the floors and the walls have been painted. The floors also have been prepped and prepared for you to put in subflooring. And the bathroom, the second floor is the only unit that is available. And as soon as you go in, across the hallway, you get into your bedroom. Absolutely great investment property, 2 incomes, not that much to fix up. And you can start receiving 2 rents in this property. To look at this investment property or any other investment properties, call me 419-528-8190. Bye.